Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to use Love Chat theme on Facebook Messenger in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Messenger. After that we need to go to Chat, and here we must click on name of our friend. And here we have customization and we can click theme. After that scroll down and click love. Click select, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.